Greetings in the name of Yahuwah and his son Yahusha Mashiach. My name is Malak Shalomo. Today is the 14th of August 2024. It's 3:01 p.m. Eastern Time. And right now I'm in a live trade on ES and gold. So this is ES. ES is coming back to my break-even point right now. My stop is at 54.71.69. So let's see here. All right, so that's the stop right there. It's above +1 VWAP. See, which is, yeah, right there. That purple line right there, you see I'm highlighting it. That's +1 VWAP. Looking like we're getting some rejection now before my take profit, which should be below R1 down here at 54.84.55. So looking at this this little pullback right now, we're coming back to monthly Camarilla S3. We're kind of trying to break back into the Camarillas, I guess, before the end of the month. So just to get back bullish, they need to be above at least Camarilla monthly Cam S3. So looks like they're struggling a little bit to keep above that level. And let's see here. Let's go to the gold trade. So the gold trade was a bowling green reversal, long trade. So let's see here. Point out some stuff in this. This is -1 VWAP, and -2 is somewhere down here below its outer screen. So, a matter of fact, let me just pull it up because it is relevant. Where is it? Where is it? Damn, it's all the way down there. So, the strategy is when there's an accumulation between -2 VWAP, which is this one right here, and -1 VWAP, when you get that accumulation there. And this was a prior trade where I took a 360 fire strategy where it reverse hit that, start rejecting, and started moving down. But it came back and stopped me out somewhere around break even. That was also a confirmation that we're not selling off anymore. So we're actually accumulating, which it actually did. So accumulation between this level here, take the breakout. I took the breakout of -1 VWAP. First partial is going to be at VWAP, that yellow line right there. And take profit is going to be up at VPOC, which is that blue line right there is VPOC. Let me just highlight it. All right, you can see POC. That's the developing volume point of control. It moves around. So this one isn't moving around right now. So sometimes you get these right. So let me just demonstrate that right now. Point that out. You see it was up here. Move down to this level. Right, so we're trying to get our reversal to come back to this level. It's also floor pivot S1, you know. All right, so let's see. I ain't get filled as yet. Almost there. Almost there. Break-even point is right here at that's the entry 2483.2. Hopefully it doesn't crash and burn right now and just come back and stop me out. Right, so the ES trade came back to almost break even. See, we're still riding around this monthly Camarilla S3. Right, so you can see that right there. Point that out. That's the level. Monthly Camarilla S3. We're getting a lot of let's see. Is there a lot of rotation here? All right, it moves out of focus. Okay. So I wouldn't say a lot of reversals, but we got this pop up above, right? We went up there, broke above it. We got that R1, right? We hit R1. Hold on. Hold on. right? So we hit R1, we pushed above monthly Camarilla S3 and immediately found the sellers, right? So no follow through from there. And I guess that, and as like I always say, you could vet this for yourself, but in a bullish run, let's say it's not super trending, or even if it's not super trending, if there's any bullish campaign from the RTH Open, their target is floor pivot R1. You could check it back on your charts if you want. Any bullish target, the first bullish target is R1, right? And you're gonna see this continuously. They're gonna hit R1 and then after that they take profit, right? Unless they wanna they're campaigning for more. But on a regular campaign, a regular bullish move, R1 is the target. So let's see here. We're getting back up. We're pushing back above monthly Camarilla S3. See, I kind of adjusted the heat map, so there's a lot more brightness to it because we had to go in here. Let me just see. Oh wait, this is not. Go into heat map settings, and I had to lower the lower cutoff, right? So this means anything anything below this level here is not going to show, right? So it's showing from, I guess it's like 30 plus on the level two, you know what I'm saying? On the heat map on for the liquidity, it's only going to show anything above 35 roughly. And then I lower the high cutoff point, right? So the high cutoff point for it to show up is usually around 95 or something. So I dropped it down to just below 90. So what that does is that, let me just demonstrate that right now. Like, see, when you raise it up here, you take off a lot of what's on the heat map, right? Now, because of this algorithm, I drop it down so I can see the real liquidity that's still there. Apart from this heavy liquidity that's on the algorithm, I can now see this liquidity highlighted, right? So just pointing that out. If you have Bookmap and you have problems with that algorithm, you can do that. And you could also go to, this is free, it's called Trader Map Lite. You just click on it, that's all you got to do, highlight it, and that's it. It's gonna pull up this chart right here, right? And now this is the chart that kind of gets rid of the algorithm. So it's similar to what I did on the heat map settings, right? You can see now it gets rid of this, right? This look right here. Okay, so you can see over here, it's still kind of there, but then you get it kind of raises and highlights other liquidities, so it's a lot more even and evenly distributed, so you can kind of see it better. You know what I'm saying? So what's happening to my trade here? So my trade is coming back to test Camarilla S3. That's two times now. It rejected up here at 54.81. Coming back to break even. Let's see, we're going over to gold. Gold acting like it doesn't want to hit my take profit. All right, so still sellers, heavy volume coming down here to my break even point. So let's see what's happening now. So we're stopping right here again around monthly Camarilla S3, but it's looking like it wants to break down. I don't know. Maybe buyers are buying here. You know, buyers trying to get back into the Camarilla pivots up into, you know, like to regain the bullishness. You have to be at least above monthly Camarilla S3 on the monthly level, like on the daily chart, for it to be bullish. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna flatten this trade right here at break even, and I'm gonna move up my stop on gold. Where's my stop? I don't like how that price action is moving right there. So I'm gonna move up my stop on gold. We just got rid of that ES bowling green long because this is where we entered here, right? So this is +1 right here. Got the breakout, took the breakout, double topped up here. Now we're pulling back. And we basically double topping just above monthly Camarilla S3, which I should point that out. Right, so you see we have the double top right there, and this level here is monthly Camarilla S3. So just above that, we're double topping and basically retesting it, looking like we want to just sell off. Because when you start retesting from the bottom, like retesting Camarilla S3 and keep on getting rejections, no buyers are here to take it up. It's looking a little suspect to me. Like we might want to get continued selling for the month. Let me just check over here at my daily chart and see what it's looking like. Let me just see here. Right, so we do have this bowling green reversal on the daily chart. I'm gonna show it to you in a second. Let me just clean up this chart a little bit. Matter of fact, it's not gonna be clean. You're just gonna have to look at the dirty chart. Hold on. And I'm gonna just break down what you see in here. All right, so this right here, this is a quarterly VWAP, right? This is quarterly -1. That green line right there. So that's set from the quarter, right? The second quarter in the year. So what we're getting here is we're getting the reversal, the bowling green reversal. We had that accumulation between -2, which is this teal line right there, and -1. So you got that auction right there breaking out. This white line here is monthly VWAP. So from that perspective, we're breaking out of VWAP as well. This is quarterly VWAP here. So we're pushing above quarterly VWAP as well. And now we're running into monthly Camarilla S3 resistance. So what this could be is like a test and a fail, right? So this could be a retest here and then for more selling, right? Now, me personally, I think maybe it'll probably push up. Not really sure though, but I don't know. I don't know. This action right here, not pushing up, not pushing into Camarilla S3 and getting this rejection right here, this doesn't look good. I think the buyers should definitely buy off VWAP and show strength from a monthly perspective. You know what I'm saying? They should buy from here and show that strength. They did buy from VWAP on the monthly. So this was the quarterly VWAP here, the white line. This monthly VWAP here, they bought off of that and we're good to go. They should do the same right here and push above monthly Camarilla S3. Right, so that's that green line right there. All right, so that kind of killed my long trade on the intraday chart. Let's see, let's go back here. So kind of break even on that trade. Let's see what gold is doing. And gold came back and stopped me out here. Right, so they both didn't really go to the full potential. So it's just one of them days, man. You know what I'm saying? Let me just take a look here at the daily chart. Like, just look at this, right? It's just basically a rotation around. Like we had that news right there, down, up, down, up, and then probably another leg down. You know. So who knows, man? This ain't really the type of day to be looking for no trending moves or no real moves to execute for a long period of time, you know. So you might catch like I caught the reversal, but it didn't totally go in my direction before pulling back and stopping me out, you know. So yeah, that's it, man. It's Malak Shalomo. Y'all trade safe and stay blessed.